What is your problem?
Why did you cut my underpants?
I didn't do it.
Then who did it?
I don't know. I didn't. Maybe it's the rats that did it.
Oh. So, we don't have rats in this house.
So you want me to say that I did it? Okay, fine. I did it. Question is, where did you get it?
I bought it myself.
What shows that you bought it yourself?
I'm working, Thomas.
It is your boss that bought it for you. Now you're here telling me that you're working. Back then you used to work, and I used to buy them. Now you're here, out of the blue, you're buying them for yourself.
Thomas, I need to do things on my own. Yeah.
Fine. You can also start looking after your mom. Because also that you can do it.